Top 10 Disney characters. Let's see Alibaba. Number 3. Let's see Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. I'm Fantation and Sensation Nation. Number 2, of course. Let's see Geppetto. Number 10. Mr. Beast. Number 9. Donald Trump. Number 1, of course. Damocles. 8. Tarkan, the cousin of Salman Khan. Number 4. Jumbo. Number 7. Simba the Sailor Moon. 6. And number 5 is Robin Hood.